Hey guys, it's Pita. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my fall home decor. I'm very excited to be filming this video for you guys. So as you guys know, I'm officially a homeowner. Just kidding. It's my first time being a homeowner and I'm so grateful for this because as you guys know, before moving into the house, I used to live in a very small bedroom. I used to live with my boyfriend's parents. I told myself, like, whenever I have my own home, I want to decorate, whether it's for Thanksgiving, for Christmas, for New Year's, for St. Patrick's Day. I don't care. I want to decorate my house for every little season or for every little holiday that I can decorate my house. I want to decorate it. So as you guys know, fall is approaching us very soon. Fall is like September 20 something. I have no shame in my game. I started decorating my house literally as soon as September hit. I started going to Target, to Marshalls, to TJ Maxx, because you know your girl is always balling on a budget. So I went to all those stores and I started looking for all these things to decorate my house for fall and for Thanksgiving, just to get those fall vibes, you know? And so I got so many things, guys. You guys know that I always do everything on a budget. So I got so many things, decorated my house so pretty. I decorated the front porch just so when people come visit us, like they have like that nice warming welcome. And then I also decorated our living room and also our kitchen. The living room is because that's where mostly we spend most of our time, like watching movies, hocus pocus, all that kind of stuff. And then also because the kitchen is where I spend most of the time. I don't cook. I spend most of the time in the kitchen because I eat there. But Jason, my boyfriend, is the one that cooks. We spend most of our time there as well. Our bedroom and our kitchen, we really didn't decorate it, girl, just because we really don't like spend a lot of time in the bedrooms or like the upstairs. The most I did for those, like the bedroom and the restrooms, is just put like a fall scented candle, and that was about it. But for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I decorated. I DIY'd a couple of stuff because I just got some ideas of Pinterest. Whenever I feel like blank, like, oh my god, how do I decorate? I literally go to Pinterest and I looked up some inspo. I even made a board, and that's where I got all my inspiration to decorate the house. So before we get started with this video, guys, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. If you love fall, like me, I'm in love with fall. So if you love a fall, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you can be part of the Pita family, and don't forget to hit the little bell so you can notify the next time I upload a new video, because you guys know all those things help you grow out a lot. So let me show you guys how I decorated the house. Alright, so we're gonna start with my front porch, and this is what it looks like. The lighting is a little bit weird because of the sun, but that sign says hello fall. I actually got this one in Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby was having 40% off, guys, their entire fall section, and I went crazy. So I got this hello fall sign. I actually put some bricks underneath so it can be a little bit higher, and then I got these scarecrows. I got a boy and a girl. I thought they were the cutest thing ever, so I picked up 2 of those. And then I have 2 square hays. That pumpkin on top is actually real. The pumpkins, I got them from a local grocery store. The little corn and the little pumpkin, those are actually fake. So those 2 and the square hays, I got them also at Hobby Lobby. And then these pumpkins, like I said, I got them at my local grocery store. They were $9.99 and under, guys. I literally took advantage of that deal and bought as many pumpkins as I could. And then back here, this is actually supposed to be my wreath for my front door, but it's not like your typical wreath, guys. It's more of like a basket, and I didn't really like it. I feel like it didn't tie all on together, so I actually put it behind the little girl just so it can look like she just came back from like picking her flowers. I don't know, I just like put it back there. I think it looks good. Let me know what you guys think. And then here I have another pumpkin, and then this white pumpkin, and then I actually changed my my little mat. I had one that's just hit welcome, and then this one I got it off Hobby Lobby as well. This one was 50% off. I just love that it said our nest. I feel like it all just combined like the whole theme that I had going on for the outside. So I got this one, and then I got this flower mom, guys, from Costco. It was like $10 and like 50 cents, something like that. It was super inexpensive, guys. I regret it. I feel like I should have picked up 2 more just for like the back of the house, but I got this one, and I cannot wait till all the little flowers start blooming, because I just feel like the yellow and the orange flowers are gonna tie everything together. Like, just imagine when like all the flowers are bloomed. It's gonna look so nice, guys. Oh, by the way, this one, the little flowery in the back, I got that one off Marshalls. But yeah, guys, this is what my front porch looks like. Let me know what you guys think. The only thing I am missing is the wreath for my front door, but that I'm going to go purchase this sometime this week. So now let's go inside so I can show you guys the rest. Hey girl, hey, there's me. So now we are in my front entryway. I didn't really change a lot in this section just because I didn't really know what to do. So if you guys have more ideas, by the way, if you guys see like an empty spot somewhere around the house that you guys have like ideas how to decorate, please let me know in the comments down below. I would truly appreciate it. I can only do so much from Pinterest, so let me know. So for my front entryway, I still have the same mirror that I had from the house tour. And then here, nothing really changed, guys. I still have the same table, the same setup. I actually just added some yellow flowers just for like fall vibes, you know. Take a shot every time I say fall or fall vibes. I still kept the same little basket where everyone throws in their keys. Here, I actually had a black candle on top of the stacked up books. So I just took out the candle and put in the little pumpkin that says thankful and blessed. I also had 2 matching pumpkins. I had 2 of these that match perfectly fine, but I have a 3-year-old that just feels the need to like feel on everything. So he was playing around, he dropped it right there and it just shattered. So I put this one. Although it doesn't like completely match, I feel like it still looks cute. So I have that one. Okay, so that is basically all I did for the entryway. Now when you turn to this side, let's go to the rest of the house and let me show you guys all of my decor. All right. Let's start with this side over here. So here I actually took out my Keurig and I put this little mug that says warm and cozy. I kind of like decorated this little section. So these are the little pots that I've been using. Salted caramel. I actually got this coffee from Marshall's and it is so good, guys. Best coffee that I have purchased. So I just have like this little section decorated. Again, I got some inspiration from Pinterest. And then on this side, I kind of just kept the same decor that I had. I just felt like it was a very nice combo. Like we have some little, you know, fall vibes and then it's like more neutral and kind of like tones it down. So this is what my little coffee station looks like. On this side, my son actually decided to hang this up in the pantry knob. And this one, I got it from the dollar store last year and it's still with us. It's missing a little sunflower it had here. It went through a rough time while we were like moving, but he made it through. So I put that one up there. I kept my Alexa in the same place. So I put this little sign that says Happy Harvest. I actually got that one also at Marshall's. And then these pumpkins, I got them from Target from the $1 section, the dollar spot. So I just put like a different color variation of pumpkins just so it could like stand out. I didn't want to just like put all orange. So I put that one neutral, that one more like yellowish and a bluish one, and I think it looks pretty good. I did put up these kitchen napkins. I thought they were super cute. I put a white plaid one, a solid orange one, and then another plaid one. On this side, guys, I actually opened up this book to this specific page because it just like, I was like, oh my god, it looks so cute. Am I gonna make the recipe? Probably not. I'm not really good at baking, but I just thought it looked really pretty. So I opened it up to that specific page, although it looks very delicious. And on this section, everything stayed the same. I just put these yellow flowers with this little pumpkin. Again, guys, the pumpkin is from the Target $1 section. This I got it from Marshall's, and then this one I also got it from Target. This one was only $3, guys. As soon as I saw it, I snatched it. So this is what my kitchen looks like from this side. By the way, I think I almost forgot to tell you guys. So this mug and that one, I both got them from Marshall's last year. And then that little pumpkin and the pine cone is also from Target, the dollar section. And then the little pots for my Keurig, I also got them at Marshall's. They are so delicious, guys. So that whole section right there is Marshall's, and then these two are Target. All right, let me show you guys now the rest. All right, now in my sink area, I have this Mrs. Mayer's hand soap, guys. This is the limited edition scent, apple cider scent, guys. Oh my god, if you have not smelled this, please go to Target, to Walmart, wherever they sell Mrs. Mayer's, and please smell this hand soap. It smells so good. So I have this one. This one is also one of their fall limited edition scents. This used to be a little jar for spices. I kind of like low-key broke it. I put some water and then I just put these little flowers that I took up from like the rest of flower bundles that I got from my local grocery store. So they look so cute. I just put them here. And then this pumpkin, guys, is actually from the dollar store. So that is what that looks like. On this side, I just have some flowers. I decided usually I go with a lot of greenery for the house, but since it's fall and, you know, like burnt orange and yellow, those are the kind of colors you use for the season. I decided to put up my flowers with this vase, and it looks really nice. I like how it looks. I added more pine cones and that little pumpkin. That one I also got it from Target, and this vase, guys, I got it from At Home when I first moved to the house. And by the way, the Mrs. Mayer's hand soap, that one I got it at Target as well. So you can probably go to your local Target and find it, and they have other limited edition scents. But I just like how like the whole kitchen looks. I feel like it's very simple, but yet it feels very fallish, very Thanksgiving-ish. Are those even words? I don't know. I just like how it looks. I feel like it's not too much, not too little. It's just perfecto. We're gonna move on to my dining table, guys. All right, I'm gonna be very honest with you guys. I am missing something here, so don't fully judge my dining table. So when I was looking for centerpieces for my dining table, guys, everything was like ridiculously expensive. $35 for just a centerpiece, or $40, $50, and I was like, not today, honey. So I DIY'd my own kind of like centerpiece for my dining table. So these appetizer plates are from Target. These were they were $3 for 2 of them. And like I said, I'm just missing a round plain orange plate to put underneath, and then this one on top, just so it can stand out. This table runner, guys, I got it from Target for $3. This garland, I got it at Target for $5. And these foam pumpkins, these 3 were from the $1 section at Target. These 2, the white one and the green one, those were $3 from the Target section, and that one was $1. So what I did, I just DIY'd my own centerpiece, made it nice, sweet, and simple, and right away just put the table runner, put the garland, and then kind of just put the pumpkins here. Like this one is like coming out from like the garland, this one as well. And this is what my dining table looks like. Again, the only thing I'm missing are the orange plates underneath the white ones, but overall I feel like it looks very nice, clean, and simple, you know? So if you are trying to DIY your own centerpiece for your dining table, there you go, girl. That's a quick little inspo for you. On this table that I have here, I feel like this here doesn't really match. I don't know how to feel about it. Let me know. What else can I put here? Please let me know. I have this. It's actually, oh no, it's actually the right date. I was like, girl, it's the wrong. We're in the 16th. No, it's the 15th today. On this side, this one, okay, this side, like, you know, it feels more fall vibes to me. So I got this vase from Target. It was $3. There was actually 2. I only picked up 1, and now I regret it because I should have picked up both and put the other one on that side, right? But oh well. Let me know what I can put on this side. I feel like this doesn't really match right now. So I got the vase, I put these yellow flowers and this pumpkin succulent. They're not real succulents, they're fake. I got this one from Target, it was $5. This is also from the Target section. There were actually 4 pumpkins, 4 of these for $3, which was super inexpensive. I have this baked pumpkin tart candle. I got it from At Home. If you guys go to your At Home, please pick up this candle, guys. It's a little bit pricey compared to like TJ Maxx and Marshall candles because this one was $10, but it is so worth it. It smells so good. So this is my little section on this table. So in my living room area, I have this basket and I put this throw blanket with this pillow. This pillow, I actually got it, I think about a year and a half ago from Ross, and I wasn't like a huge fan of the pillow. It was actually on clearance, but I was like, oh my god, it's on clearance, but I don't like what it says. Like, I just don't like it. And then I flipped it over and I was like, oh bish, we can actually kind of like flip it over and no one will ever noticed. So I got this one from Ross and I just put it like this. I just feel like it looks nice and cute, just like a nice little pop of orange. So this, by the way, this throw blanket, I also got it from Marshall's. I basically live at Marshall's in TJ Maxx. All the employees know me there. But for my couch, what I did is I just got these pillows. The white pillows are from At Home, and then these burnt orange pillows are so soft. These are also from Marshall's. I got these last year. So this is basically what my couch looks like. My throw blanket is also from, oh no, that one is actually not Marshall's. My throw blanket is from At Home. When you sit down, I have my coffee table, and this is what my coffee table looks like. I have both of these books that I actually got from the dollar store. I just realized one of my books is backwards. I am so sorry for that. If you have OCD, that is going to trip you out. But that blessed pumpkin, I got it from Marshall's. The little pumpkin is part of like the 4 pumpkins for $3 that I got at Target. And then I just put some little yellow flowers in a cup that I had in the pantry. So this is what my little coffee table looks like. Now let's move back here. So I have my play buttons for my vlogging channel, which is the A family. If you guys haven't followed me yet, make sure to go subscribe to our vlogging channel. And then I got this pumpkin. This pumpkin I saw it at Marshall's and I thought it was so different and so unique. It's 3 pumpkins in one. There was actually 2 of these, but another lady beat me to it, so I only got 1. I was gonna put one on one side and one on the other side, but I made it work. So I got this one from Marshall's, guys. I thought it was very unique and very different. The garland is from Target, from Target. That one was also $5. And then this sign, it says happy fall, y'all. That one is from Marshall's, right? It's from Marshall's, yes. And for this, I kind of found some inspiration from Pinterest. I didn't really know what to do with this section just because I was like, well, everything else is decorated besides this. And I feel like it's missing maybe like a table runner underneath. Let me know what you guys think. I kind of feel like it's still missing something, but please let me know if you guys think it's okay like this or if I can add anything else. Then I have this pumpkin here. It's kind of like a sequin pumpkin. This one is from the dollar store. It was only $8. It was not expensive at all. Then I have this DW home candle. This is the pumpkin allspice scented candle. Honestly, I am in love with DW home candles now. They're so good. And this one was only $8, guys. Super inexpensive for a big candle. And the one that I got from at home, the one that I showed you guys previously, was 10 and it was smaller. And this one is 8 and it's huge. It's like pretty big. But if you guys go to Marshall's or TJ Maxx, definitely check out DW home candles. They smell really, really good. So this is basically what my living room area looks like. I feel like it's nice and simple. So that completes my fall home decor. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you can be part of the Pita family, and don't forget to hit the little bell so you can notify the next time I upload a new video. And again, guys, if you guys have any ideas of how else I can decorate or if I can add anything else, please let me know in the comments down below. I would truly appreciate it. Overall, I love how my house feels. It feels so cozy and so nice. I love it. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to just sit down on the couch, relax, just watch a movie. I'm gonna hopefully try to find Hocus Pocus because that would be a total mood. But hope you all enjoyed today's video and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.